Hi, this is Oscar here. Today I'm talking about a module in Python. Module is you write a certain type of the code and you want include that one in your program. Actually, it's like a containing of set of the function which then you include it on your program. It's same scenario that you got for code library. You want to import it. Modular is same thing. Let me give you some example. Define a function and I name it hello. Then give it argument here, name, whatever that you want to name it, that's be fine. And then let's have a print function here. And then, okay, I say hi, and I give a space here, and the name that we have here, the variable. We save this one, we save that. You save it as a module, or you can name it anything that you want. It doesn't make any difference. You name it, but you have to make sure that we should be on the same folder that you have. Then you create another file, and then you import this file here. So what you are going to say import, and you give the name of the file. I have my name of the file is module and Python. You don't have to give the py. So, and then you have to go back here, and here you have. So what you are going to do it, you are going to get module that you have it, same module. I'm going to copy it and paste it. You have this module you created, and then you check, see what you had here, hello. So you have, I think I had hello, and the name actually comes here. And I gave it name here, and I name it here. So when I run this one, this module is going to be included. Let me check here. Here it is. So I import this module, which is here, and then this is much more easier for certain thing that you want to do. Actually, it's very interesting because you do not want to write so many program or so many function in one program. Certain of those function that you want imported, included with your program. So the module is one of the best one, or the easiest one to do it. Actually, I can create, for example, a calculator, and I say import and name that calculator, whatever that, however I create it, and import it here, and I be able to use it wherever that I want. Right now we work on the, this is a function that is included in Python library, but we are able again to import. There are so many library or module in Python that we are able to import it, like math. If you are going to use the math, random numbers, you are able, that's again one thing that if you want to get it. So what you are going to say that, for example, here I can say that import random, and what it does, actually this I can create it. Let me work it here. For example, I said for I in range of let's say 45, as if it should be distance, otherwise it's not okay. I want to print the from integer. I'm going to use it from 1 to here 45. Is it? So this is again one thing that we are able to import it. Same thing that we made it. We create one module and we import it here. We are able to import other library in the library. Other module has been built. So if I run this one, what is going to give me? It gives me randomly from 1 to 45 each time one number. Okay. So for 45, if I say it here, just let me get 5. It gives me from 5 numbers from 1 to 45 randomly. Yeah. So we are able to create a module that we use it and import it, save it in one directory, or and then import it, or we use it all the module that already Python built in it. Okay. Hope you enjoy it. See you for next session.